You're now officially open, IBIE 2010.
Hi, I'm Roger Fall, president of Belshaw Adamatic Bakery Group, and we're here today to show all of you that we're able to make the IBIE show, the great new innovations that we have to offer the baking industry. So today I want to start off with our new joint venture with JBT Stein, one of the leading fryer manufacturers in the world, has over 450 installations, with our new industrial frying equipment. Fryers now that can go up to 40 feet long, over 3,000 dozen donuts an hour. It is a very efficient system with high-tech filtering and heating systems. As we continue the journey with our innovations that Belshaw Adamatic has to offer, the next piece we want to look at is the Moffat Genesis in-store bread plant.
Hi, I'm Tony, and I'd like to have a couple of quick words about the Genesis bakery system. It's the latest in innovation for single-man operation for plant bread production. Controlled from a central position with a totally integrated computer-controlled system for recipe integration, product, weight and quantity, and tray layout procedures. The machine incorporates a high-speed spiral mixer, a divider that lowers into the bowl and divides bread directly out of the mixer bowl, eliminating the need for the operator to handle heavy dough, processes through a central system here called a hander, drops into an intermediate prover, up, over and around and out through the final moulders. The Genesis is a totally dustless system, introduces a complete new level of operator safety and comfort, and we are incredibly proud to bring this machine to the marketplace.
Hi, I'm Magnus Olsson from Glimek, Sweden, a company that produces bread machines. We have done it for over 60 years, and I'm going to show you something that we have here in the booth this year. This is a divider making up to 3,000 breads per hour, going into the rounder. From the rounder, rounds the bread, go up to the proofer, rest the bread for a couple of minutes, out through the proofer, goes down in the molder. This molder you can produce everything from baguettes, loaves, thin bread, whatever. And the divider is very accurate, has very good scaling, and you can take different doughs from wheat dough to rye dough and sticky dough and hard dough. And here we have, for the first time in the States, our newest product. This is the SD600, a dough divider. You can make it up to 6,000 pieces per hour. This one is a three-pocket version. You get out 4,500 pieces per hour. But then you can also have it in a 6,000 pieces version. You have a two-pocket and a four-pocket version. And this is the same type as the other one, two-piston system. We have an air spring instead of standard springs, and this means that you can treat the dough very gentle. You can adjust the pressure on the dough, and if you have a hard dough, put up the pressure. If you have a soft dough, lower the pressure.
We're going to talk a little bit about Adamatic's bread and roll equipment, and Adamatic's concept has always been to have a wide variety that you can make on a single machine. And we go from very small machines to large. This machine here, being our ADR2, is the smallest of our automated machines. It runs from 1 1/4 to 19 ounces up to 400 dozen an hour. Very simple machine to run, easy to maintain, and easy for your people to take care of. Right? So from our smaller machine, we also go into larger machines, as we have on the floor here. We have 3 main dividers. This first machine, as I showed you, is our ADR2. This machine here is our VDR, which runs up to 6-pocket at 18,000 pieces an hour. Again, also runs from 1 1/4 to 19 ounces. So you get a large variety so that you can have a backup if you've got a bread machine to do your 1-pound breads. We give you the ability on this machine to do a huge variety of hard and soft rolls, going from round rolls, hamburger buns, Kaiser rolls, split rolls, all different size sheeted rolls, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, an amazing array that you can do on a single machine.
Hi, I'm Richard Aversa. I want to show you the Belshaw Adamatic retail section. Right here we have our thermal glazer, and behind me we have our BX oven with our true bake oven and proofer below. Here we have our double deck convection oven, gas. This is our Mark II Doughnut Robot, ideal to keep hands off, consistent product, capable of doing 42 dozen regular sized donuts an hour and 180 dozen of the mini donuts an hour. We also have a 10-quart mixer now to help you mix your batter when you use the Doughnut Robot. If you have any questions on the equipment you saw today, please go to our website